Our journey starts in the heart of the city, Central Park. This sprawling expanse of green, nestled amidst the towering steel and glass structures, is a sight to behold. Covering over 800 acres, Central Park is one of the most famous and beloved urban parks in the world. It's an oasis within the city that never sleeps, a breath of fresh air in a city that's always on the move. Central Park is not just a park, it's a world of its own. From the peaceful serenity of strawberry fields to the bustling energy of the Central Park Zoo, there's something for everyone here. The park is a living, breathing testament to the city's commitment to preserving nature amidst urbanization. It's a place where the city's heartbeat slows down, where the rush of traffic gives way to the rustling of leaves, and where skyscrapers are replaced by towering trees. But Central Park isn't just about tranquility and peace. It's a hub of activity, a place where New Yorkers come to exercise, socialize, and relax. The park boasts miles of trails for running, cycling, and horseback riding, while the Great Lawn is a perfect spot for picnics and sunbathing. There's also the Loeb Boathouse, where you can rent a rowboat and glide across the serene waters of the lake, or perhaps you'd prefer to watch a performance at the Delacorte Theater under the open sky. In the heart of Central Park lies the Bethesda Fountain, a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. With the Angel of the Water statue perched atop, it's a symbol of the park's enduring charm. And as you wander through the Ramble, a 36-acre woodland with winding paths and hidden spots, you'll soon forget you're in the middle of one of the world's busiest cities. Central Park, a tranquil retreat amidst the bustling city, sets the tone for our exploration. It's a testament to New York's ability to balance the fast-paced urban lifestyle with spaces that offer peace and respite. As we move on to other parts of this magnificent city, remember the calm and serenity that Central Park offers, a reminder of nature's presence even in the most urban of landscapes. Next we head west, flying over the mighty Hudson River. The Hudson River, a natural tapestry of shimmering water and vibrant green banks, is more than just a body of water. It's a lifeline that pulses through the heart of New York, a vein of commerce and leisure that has shaped the city's destiny since its earliest days. Once the highway for explorers and traders, the Hudson River's significance as a transportation route is undiminished. It's the artery that keeps the city's lifeblood flowing, bearing the weight of commerce, ferrying goods and people, linking the city's boroughs and beyond. But the Hudson is not just about practicality, it's also about beauty. From our vantage point, the river is a silver ribbon that cuts through the cityscape, a mirror reflecting the towering skyline. The river's banks are a patchwork of parks and piers, where the city's concrete and glass give way to green spaces and waterfront promenades. And then, there's the pleasure the river provides. Imagine the feeling of slicing through the water in a kayak, the city's towers rising around you. Picture yourself sailing on a breezy afternoon, the cityscape unfolding as you glide along the water. The Hudson River is not just a backdrop to city life, it's a playground for those who seek adventure and tranquility in equal measure. As the sun dips low, casting a golden glow over the water, the Hudson transforms once more. It becomes a stage for the city's evening spectacle, a front-row seat to the sun setting behind the skyline, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange. The Hudson River, a waterway offering unique perspectives of city life. From the practical to the picturesque, from commerce to recreation, the Hudson River is a testament to New York's ability to balance the demands of a bustling metropolis with the need for natural beauty and leisure. It's a reminder that even in the heart of the concrete jungle, the rhythm of nature persists. It's a symbol of the city's resilience, its adaptability, and its enduring charm. Our journey continues, soaring above the historic Brooklyn Bridge. This engineering marvel, with its distinctive Gothic arches and intricate web of steel cables, is more than just a means of crossing the East River. It's a testament to the ingenuity and ambition that define New York City. The Brooklyn Bridge, completed in 1883, stands as one of the oldest roadway bridges in the United States. It was the world's longest suspension bridge upon its completion, a title it held for 20 years. Its construction was a feat of perseverance, innovation, and sheer willpower, mirroring the city it serves. The bridge's architecture is a sight to behold. Its stone towers rise majestically, while its steel cables create a pattern that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This blend of form and function epitomizes the spirit of New York City, where practicality and beauty often intersect. But the Brooklyn Bridge offers more than just a marvel of engineering and architecture. It also provides a unique vantage point to appreciate the city's skyline. Pedestrians and cyclists crossing the bridge are treated to a panoramic view, that is nothing short of breathtaking. To the north, the glittering skyscrapers of Manhattan loom large, while to the south, the Statue of Liberty stands as a beacon of hope and freedom. The bridge itself is a hub of activity. On any given day, you'll find locals commuting to work, tourists snapping photos, and artists seeking inspiration. And as night falls, the bridge transforms into a spectacle of lights, reflecting off the river below and adding to the city's vibrant night scene. The Brooklyn Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of the city's past, a vital part of its present, and a beacon for its future. It embodies the resilience, diversity, and constant evolution that make New York City a place like no other. The Brooklyn Bridge, a testament to New York City's enduring spirit. Lastly, we explore the Highline, a park unlike any other. Nestled in the heart of the concrete jungle, this elevated oasis tells a story of transformation and resilience. Once a disused railway track, the Highline is now a testament to the power of urban renewal and green innovation. The Highline was born out of the ashes of the West Side Line, an abandoned freight rail line that once ferried goods through the city's industrial heart. As the years went by, nature began to reclaim this forgotten piece of infrastructure, weaving a wild tapestry of grasses, shrubs, and trees among the rusted tracks. This unexpected burst of greenery inspired a bold vision to transform the derelict railway into a public park. Today, the Highline is a vibrant green space that winds its way through Manhattan's West Side. It's an elevated park, a garden in the sky, suspended above the city's streets. As you stroll along the Highline's meandering pathways, you can enjoy a unique blend of beautifully landscaped gardens, urban art installations, and stunning views of the surrounding neighborhoods. The Highline is not just a park, but a living, breathing piece of New York City's history. The original railway tracks have been preserved and integrated into the park's design, serving as a poignant reminder of the site's industrial past. But it's not just about looking back. The Highline is also a beacon of the future. It's a shining example of how urban spaces can be reimagined and repurposed for the benefit of the community. It represents a vision of a more sustainable, more livable city, where green spaces are not just an afterthought, but an integral part of the urban fabric. And so, as we walk along the Highline, we are not just witnessing a park. We're experiencing a piece of New York City's past, its present, and its future. We're seeing the city from a new perspective, from an elevated vantage point that offers a glimpse of what's possible when we dare to dream and to innovate. The Highline, a beacon of urban renewal and green innovation. As we conclude our journey above New York City, we are left with a profound sense of awe for the city's unique blend of urban landscapes and natural beauty. The city that never sleeps, where towering skyscrapers reach for the sky, also cradles spaces of serenity and tranquility. We began our exploration with a bird's-eye view of Central Park, the city's green heart, a haven of peace amid the urban hustle, an oasis that spans over 800 acres, offering a tranquil retreat for city dwellers and visitors alike. We then followed the currents of the mighty Hudson River, an iconic waterway that not only serves as a vital transportation route but also offers stunning vistas of the city's skyline. Its waters reflecting the city's grandeur, its banks offering a moment of calm. Our journey took us above the historic Brooklyn Bridge, an engineering marvel that has stood the test of time. It's not just a bridge but a symbol of New York City, connecting boroughs and hearts alike, offering breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Finally, we walked along the Highline, a testament to the city's innovative spirit. An abandoned railway line transformed into a vibrant green space, offering a new perspective of the city, with its beautifully landscaped gardens, urban art, and stunning views of the surrounding neighborhoods. Each landmark, each corner of the city, tells a story of resilience, innovation, and a continuous striving for excellence. But perhaps more importantly, they also tell a story of balance. A balance between the urban and the natural, the old and the new, the hustle and the calm. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, New York City offers a captivating blend of experiences that are waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy exploring.